Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm here to help you get the most out of Excel. In today's video tutorial, we're going to look at how to calculate the median in Excel. You'll learn a straightforward way to find the midpoint of any set of numbers. So let's get started. To understand how to calculate the median, let's look at two sets of numbers, set A and set B. We will use them to demonstrate the process. Learning how to calculate the median can be useful, and in these two examples, I'll show you some clever techniques that can help. Let's begin by looking at example A. There are 3 items in this set, which is an odd number. Therefore, we will be finding the median value of the numbers 1, 2, and 3. To calculate the median of a set of numbers in Excel, start by typing =, and median in the desired cell. Excel will then automatically search for the median function. Select it and enter the range of numbers you wish to calculate the median of. In this example, the range will be column A. Let's finish up by adding a closing bracket and then pressing Enter. Then, here we go. Excel is an efficient tool that can quickly and easily calculate the median of any set of numbers. You don't have to go through the time-consuming process of arranging the numbers in ascending or descending order. Instead, you can simply locate the median value at the midpoint of the list, which is number 2 in this example. That is really fantastic. It's useful to know that Excel can still calculate the median of a set of numbers, even if there are blank cells in the column. This means you don't have to worry about any gaps in your data when running the formula. In this second example, we'll learn how to accurately calculate the median. Let's use the same method we used previously to find the median. To get the result, begin by typing an =, followed by the range of numbers that you want to use. Then, close the brackets and press Enter. The result will appear. However, in this example, we are currently working with an even number of items, so the midpoint will be located between 2 of the values. In order to ensure that you are seeing the accurate result of the median, it is best to format the cell to show decimal places. This will show the precise value of the median rather than a rounded number. The median in this case is 1.5, not 2, because it's the value that lies between the 2 numbers in the middle, which are 1 and 2. The median of the number set 0, 1, 2, and 3 is 1.5. This is because Excel considers 0 to be a valid value and takes it into account when calculating the median. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.